Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a tomato plant with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 round plate with one stud. I'm going to place a 1x1 round plate with 3.2 shaft right on top. Then I'm going to place two candlesticks right on top of one another, upside down. For a leaf, let's take a 1x1 plate with leaf and a stud flower. Place the stud flower on the bottom of the leaf. Then I'm going to take a 3-limb flower stalk. I'm going to place this right on as shown. Set that right there. And for tomatoes, one of these balls that accepts a cross axle, I'm going to place a stud flower right inside. Makes a nice tomato. I'm going to make two of these and set these right on the limbs. Now I want to make three of these, but I want to take one, I'm going to set it right on top of the candlestick upside down. Then I'm going to take another one of these candles, place that right there, followed by another limb assembly. We're going to need to make three of those in total. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Another candlestick. And our last limb assembly right here. And yes, sometimes the tomatoes will fall off. They do that in real life if you bump into them. You have to be very careful. Place that on there to complete the tomato plant.